Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to file for workers' compensation. First, report your workplace injury to your employer as soon as possible. This is a critical initial step. Next, seek appropriate medical attention for your injury, ensuring all details are documented. Finally, familiarize yourself with your state's specific deadlines for filing a claim, as these can vary significantly. To build a strong claim, you'll need to gather important information. Collect all medical records, including diagnoses and treatment plans, along with any related bills. Document any time you've missed from work and any restrictions your doctor has placed on your activities. If there were witnesses to your injury, try to get their statements. Once you have your information, it's time to complete the official forms. Carefully fill out all required workers' compensation documents, ensuring accuracy. Submit these forms to the appropriate state agency responsible for workers' compensation claims. Always make and keep copies of every document you submit for your records. After submitting your claim, the employer's insurance company will review it. They might request additional information or ask you to attend independent medical evaluations. It's wise to consider consulting with a workers' compensation attorney, especially if your claim is denied or if you have questions about your rights and benefits.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.